cold. Take me out of the dark. What if I believe I'm on my own? What if I'm afraid of letting go? Take me out of the cold.
AJ, today is finally here. In just a few hours, we'll become husband and wife. I've been so excited and waiting for the love and joy this day brings us.
Welcome to this holy and this joyous moment where we're gathered together in the sight of God to celebrate the union between AJ Colbert and Kylie. What God has joined together, let no man separate. It is my joy to bring out to you, husband and wife. AJ, you may kiss your bride.
This horizon, it's shining. Seems the daylight knows this is our time now. Where we're going, these dreams we're holding. Oh, and now we know it. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts today.
MC, make another hit.
This ain't what you want.
Project,
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. Ha! 1600 block.